Hello, Professor. I'd like to go over the coding part of my project, Flight Ticket Solver. Currently, I'm using the notebook for easy read on the output on the data frame. But once I finalize everything, I'll move this back to PyCharm, some IDE, and probably some AI-based website for the actual application. This part is the library I utilize. PyQt5 is the one I learned throughout the project for the UI design, and JSON page is the one I use for web scraping for controlling the browser and constituent class. Right. So first is the data processing layer. This one will pull the airport information from an open source. And then there's some filter, so we can get only the US-based commercial airlines, commercial airports. Next one is a proximity calculator. It's a geographic formula that calculates the distance between 2 points on Earth. And based on those two, there's a adjacent function that will return the adjacent airport around the centered airport. Next one is the URL builder. As you may know, at this point I'm only pulling information from Google Flights, and the Google Flights is the query format as of this. From there, we can specify the search criteria and build the URL for web scraping. Convert time range is just a general function that changes the AM/PM format to a 24-hour format. And this is the initial scraping I wrote before developing the app. You can see pretty much it will capture those class from the Google Flights. So if you see the Google Flights here, this is just a random one. And if say we want to find this, you can see here. This is sorry, it's in Chinese, but this class is the airline name, and similar concept applicable for the other field we pull as well. Alright, and this sample output, you can see it will pull some surrounding airports, although we just search for EWR. Alright, and now is the main class of the application. I'll just run this from start and run this. As you may notice, we're running the scrapper. It no longer runs a Chrome page. That's as per the feedback from last class. I changed this to a headless mode, so you don't really call an actual Chrome page. All right, so this is the interface of this. So here, pretty much it has 4 basic tabs. Currently, I'm working on search and the results. Has some. Hopefully, I have enough time to work on the alert and the settings tab. So this is the setup of search tab. You can see specify the name of each section, some basic functions, and then it will read the parameters and run the actual search. Similar for result tab. And for alert and the settings, currently they're just placeholders. So once we put the I'm just putting some random info here. Here's some basic error handling. You can see also I changed the interval of each run to 1 milliseconds. Still, it will froze when running. I'm learning some new concept about the multi-threading. Hopefully, I can improve the application by utilizing that, and so when it runs at the backend, it won't freeze. All right. So if you remember, the criteria is LAX to ORD. Here we'll have the result. It has some surrounding airport for Chicago, LGB, MDW, and then different combo of those. And then there's some basic sort to rearrange those. Yeah, I think that's about everything I have so far. Here is some additional visualization. I haven't got a chance to work on that yet. They're just a placeholder. And as I said, hopefully I'll make this more user-friendly and more functions and some user-based analysis as well. And for what it's worth, here is a localized file I saved here, where we can see all the history we put. So the latest info, we put is here. Oh, sorry, this EWR, that's the one we saw for the testing. And actually everything here they'll pull in like 1 second or so. Yep, that's about it. Thank you.